Hey everybody, I'm Hunter the Fisherman, and here is your mountaintop pro tip. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to set up a stick bait weedless. Now this goes to show for a lot of soft plastics when you're fishing them weedless. I have a 4/0 hook because I realize that gets down there more. So what you do is you go through the top until about a little before the turn. You push it through, you bring it down, you twist it, you bring it all the way to the top up to the little eye ring. You bring it down like this, you push it through, and you're pretty set. The only thing I would like to, I could probably put that down even more actually. Actually no, I can't. Okay. And what a lot of anglers like to do is press it into the skin a little bit more so that it doesn't get caught up on the weeds, and that's how you fish something weedless. Obviously I'm not the best at it, but it is what it is. So that's your second mountaintop pro tip ever. Thank you and have a nice day.